All right, everyone. I'd like to start off by thanking everyone for being here today. It's a I thank you so much for taking the time to spend here. And investing on yourself. I'm gonna try to do this as quick and as fast as possible to give you as much value as I can. And I know you're all busy. I know that you all have busy schedules, so we're gonna try to do this as quick as possible. So the first thing I want to show you before we get into the instructions for the raffle and how you can win, I want to show you you can do to know if your website is actually in need of an update or you need a new website, a remodel website. So here's what will help you with knowing how well your website's doing or your website's performance. So here's Google page speeds insights. All you have to do is place your internet URL, I mean your website URL, and um, it's going to show you how well your website is doing, the insights, and what's wrong with it. So I'll just give you a quick little sample example of this website. So on my ad, I said that I wanted to visit. I visited Ferrari, right? So here's the Ferrari website I was talking about. I was looking at a couple cars, and out of curiosity, I was like, well, let me just check how fast their website is, because it was kind of like lagging a little bit. So here I installed the Ferrari website's URL, and we analyzed it, and we'll see what insights, how well this website's performing. See, it's taking quite a while to process. Yeah, and then after this, I'm going to show you who you can go to help you out and change the codings on your website, um, who you can hire, and I'll give you a couple different options. And then if you're not satisfied in letting someone else do it, and you want me to do it, and you want us to help you with you want to hire our services, we'll be more than willing to assist you with your website. So here we are on the Ferrari website. It's analyzed, and they got a 5 out of 100. Uh, yes, you can see for a high-end um, sports company with cars, and their website is doing poorly on mobile, and this is desktop. Desktop is doing better than mobile. It's 11% out of 100. But we know for a fact that most of our customers are coming out of a mobile device. Most most of most of every customer that we've seen, everyone's using mobile. They're buying more on mobile because it's much more easier. It's on your hand. It's your cell phone's everywhere with you, so that's really important to have a really high score on mobile. And so far, we can see it's doing terribly. And once here are the insights like pour load key request, remove unused JavaScripts, eliminate render blocking resources. All of these you could just click and it'll give you the codes to change what it is you need to change, and you could go through all of this. You see how it's so much information, and everything has to be fixed, recoded. So here's the second option. You can go to Fiverr.com and find someone uh, that does web coding, web design, and help you remodel your website. But the thing is that uh, there's so many people to hire. You would have to test and find out who can actually help you out and who would do a good job to do that for you. But this is another option. You can use Fiverr and find someone online and help you with your website. All you have to do is go to the website and then click in website design, um, and you can find someone to help you with your website. And the third is you could do it on your own, and you can go and uh, as you can see here, this is where I do my website coding, where I do my website designs, and all you got to do is change the HTML, the CSS, go inside and start getting rid of codes, installing different codes, seeing um, what's causing the delays. You see, it's so much to handle. But your third option that I want to give out, I mean your fourth. Sorry about that. Your fourth is if you want to work with me, I can help you with these services that I provide. I can help your business in remodeling this website. Okay, so what else? Aside from that, we have a huge opportunity that I've been wanting to give out to everyone that wants to participate. If you click this on the landing page, there's gonna be sign up for the raffle. We're doing a raffle, and this raffle, if you win, you're gonna be able to win a fully designed website for your business. It's at a value of $12,000 or more. If you sign up for this raffle, there's a chance you can win. The rules are you have to be a business owner. You have to own your own business, and we'll do this website for you if you win. So all you have to do is click the sign up for the raffle. Click on the link, and um, there's going to be a booking, and we're going to announce the winner on a video conference. So we know. So I want you I want you all to know that we're actually doing this for reals. Well, I'm gonna be on a video call, and you'll be able to see who's the person that won, what business we're gonna do this for, and that's all you're gonna have to do. But if you're like me, you're like, you know what, I just I really need this for my business. I know how bad this is affecting my business. It's losing me money. All you have to do is when you book when you book on our software, all I want you to do is pay for pay for the raffle ticket, pay for your raffle ticket, and once you fill out the your information, as you see here, your name, email, and please share anything that you will prefer for our prepare for our business. We'll help you prepare for our business. Sorry. Right here on this note, all I want you to put is if if I can work with you. Can I purchase your services? And me and my team will look at that and we'll call you and we'll set up a date and time where we can cater your business and see what's wrong with your website and remodel it, and we'll start to work on your business. So that's all you're going to have to do. Just click on the link and I'll see you when we do the webinar, and we'll announce the winner of that website raffle. So thank you for being here. That's it, and I hope the best for all of you, and best of luck. Okay.